we're back, we got parts, it's the same day. Also, you need to go on charge because someone forgot to charge their phone. Actually, I didn't forget to charge my phone. I went to bed at like 3 and had to go to work at 4.
Phone charger?
Yeah, it's yours.
Final. I'm on 11.
Video. 7%. I can't tell, but the screen's lit up, so we're good. This is rubber. Start it here. Alright, I'm doing a thing over here. These are coming in. By doing a thing, I've done a thing. So, yeah. I should be able to release this. Yeah. In here, I've joined my little tap fitting setup that I had before onto my tap, which is a single cold line, and under here I have the standard tap, so I should be able to just go hose end, bit of hose, and not have running water inside the canopy at all times. It'll only be when I stop and plug it in. So let's do that and see if we can make it work. You're in my way, Ben. I'm working.
Hey, I'm working here!
Now say it more greasy. Oh, there goes that turn. The guy was walking and they were like, just say something. And he did that and became like really famous line. Yeah, he wasn't. But he wasn't. He didn't say it wasn't. Hold it this way.
You wanna hold
right hand, left hand going down, and then you loop it.
Just like putting on a condom, round, not in.
Very good. And then you just loop it like that, and then when you
You put way too much on that.
That's fine. I'm used to working for places that pay for it. Oh, that goes into here anyway. So that bit goes on there, which doesn't really need it because it's an olive setup.
Well, what we're thinking, do we turn this like this?
I'm thinking maybe.
But it comes down to where the hose is going to come out. Is the hose going to come out that way?
Yes.
Or is the hose going to come out this back hole here?
This way. Well, there's a back hole.
No, make a back hole.
Oh. No, it'll probably come out here so I can just foil it all the way.
Give me that hose.
Fuck, if it was... Alright, so we'll do that. That means... Yeah, it's going to open that way then, and we'll have it face...
big enough for that.
For that.
No, for this.
Okay. I thought there was a car out the back, it was just the trees and the white flicker. And I was like, who the fuck's in the paddock? Yeah, great. Kidding? You tell me something to shit because I can't buy it. Wow. I hate to see what you can do. That's fucking fine.
It does. Sometimes screw it out. Down that and find them all back.
This and that, yeah, well, it's really this. This is the only one that needed it. But I've got this one. Yeah. started redoing the wiring and we moved all the messy shit. It's still messy because we haven't finished, but we're moving all that garbage up under here. There are our wireless transmitters for the 2 cameras. The kitchen hot plate is in the back of that because it needs to be looked at. I don't think we really did anything else. This water's plumbed, that all worked. The phone died. Phone died, so that's what happened. So I think that's where we're going to call it. It's getting late. Well, it got late. It's very late now. Tent is tent. You know, I thought I would get over the look of that, but I still think that looks pretty good.
I think it looks a little too far forward, going out.
Yeah. Yeah, but when it's folded up, you get your swag behind it, which is perfect. So tent and swag. So when you go quadding. Yeah, let's get out of here. So it's like 3 days later, and we finally got the cooktop back in, and they both work. Actually, don't know if I have a clip of that, but I'll add one in after this anyway. It was dirty jet or something, I don't know. I pulled it apart, cleaned it, put it back together, it didn't work, so I pulled it apart again, and no, I put it back together after it wasn't working, and it worked, so don't know what it was. Very good from whatever that was. Breaking my stuff.
Well, it's just because so much grit in the fucking runners.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Did you just pick something up and eat it?
No, I got a hangout.
Oh. Stop looking at me like that with your creepy, beady eyes.